Hey guys, Dirt D here. We got a little delivery today. Pretty excited about it. Anybody else notice that it's about as cheap to buy race fuel as regular fuel? Anyway, got our Dirt D intakes there. We'll talk about those later. I think what most people are excited about is the new Fox upper control arms shocks for the Ranger Raptor. Let's dig in and see what they look like. Package nice. Let's see what it is. Oh man, billet upper control arm kit. We got instructions. Misalignment. Photograph. Diagram. Safety, not gonna read that one. Stock, UCA removal. I bet those look good. Fox sticker. I feel like it ought to have been a t-shirt or something in here. All right, here we go. Oh, there they are. Beautiful. Anybody else watch Ray Donovan? You know, his daddy'd say, beautiful, beautiful. That's nice. Very nice. Those toppers twisted around here. Dang, that's already scratched up. This must have been a test unit or something. Let's get these babies out. Man, that's nice. Very nice. Dang. They really are kind of beat up. Those feel fantastic and look even better. I want to just ride them around. Now, damn, now I gotta figure out how to get them on, but they look wonderful. Let's see how this works. See if I can get this to happen. Oh, look, beautiful. Love it. Nice. I hope there's one more and that price wasn't just for one. And there's the other. And we got two. Now all we need is the shocks and these installed. Those feel really light. I've not felt of the factory ones off of the truck. I'd like to weigh them and see. But they feel like they would be lighter. Those are awesome. Nice. There we go. Fox upper control arms. Beautiful. Beautiful.